Charlie.
Hey, Anita.
Thanks for taking some time out to talk with us about paintless dent repair today.
Yeah, anytime.
Let's start with talking about a little bit about the history of paintless dent repair.
Okay, sure. Paintless dent repair started in the 1930s and 40s in automotive assembly plants. If they noticed a car rolling off of the line, they would use the overhead fluorescent lights, and they would use a metal rod to go in there, and they would use the reflection off of that light to slowly massage that dent back out. Yeah, this stayed in the automotive assembly plants for decades as they kind of perfected the craft, and in the 60s and 70s it really started to expand out to the public more and more. Their secrets and their tips started to get out in more body shops, and more dealerships started to use the technique there.
Cool. So why don't you tell us a little bit more about the process?
Sure. To repair a dent, you first need to gain access to the dent. So we'll have to go in from behind the metal and slowly massage it back out. So we'll have to remove a tail light, maybe have to take a door panel off or a fender liner, depending on what panel the dent is on. So once we gain access to the back of the dent, we'll set up our light so we can have the perfect reflection of the dent off of the car's surface. So once we can see the dent, can get to the dent, we'll go in from behind it and just slowly massage the metal back out.
So it takes a lot of finesse.
Yes,
yeah,
a lot
definitely.
of finesse.
Well, thank you so much for talking us
Yep,
through
see
that.
you later. All right.
Yeah, have a great day.
AMM Collision, our reputation is no accident.